Hi viewers, sharpening blurry images is getting easier than ever with the help of AI technology. Whether you're a photographer, a designer, or someone who loves capturing moments, in this video I'd like to share top 5 AI image sharpening softwares. Watch till the end and find the suitable one for yourself. Clipdrop is a fantastic tool for beginners to sharpen blurry images. You can access it in a web browser without downloading anything. It provides 20 images free upscaling to 2x for free users every day. You can repeat the process until the blur is removed. And it shares the same tech as the famous open-source AI image generator, Stable Diffusion. So it would be ideal for beginners to experience. But if you want to unlock other features like up to 10 images batch processing, it will ask you to be a pro user. HitPaw Photo AI is another incredible software that utilizes AI technology to sharpen blurry images. It's perfect for both beginners and professional users. It offers various AI models to handle different image cases. You can use it to upscale landscape, portrait, cartoon, even restore and colorize black and white images. Besides that, it supports increasing your images to 32K super high resolution, up to 300 dpi for print, and unlimited batch processing. Features like AI art generator, AI portrait generator, background remover, object remover are also built within HitPaw Photo AI. It would be an excellent choice for you to try. Krea AI is a powerful web-based AI tool. Some people might compare it with Magnific AI, because both can upscale and add astonishing details to the image. Check out the comparison video in my channel if you're interested. Considering the price of Magnific AI is way too expensive, I'd introduce Krea AI instead. The upscaling in Krea AI can actually increase details to your image, adding more textures and making it look more realistic and creative. However, sometimes the object could be completely changed due to too much creativity. Another cool thing about Krea AI is that it supports real-time drawing. This could be really useful for designers and digital artists. The next is Topaz Photo AI. It can upscale and remove blur from your image. And there are some parameters for you to better control the sharpening. This might also take you some time for adjusting. It also supports batch processing, and 6K is the max resolution it can reach when upscaling images. Moving on to Leonardo AI. It is also web-based, combining lots of the latest trending AI features in one, such as AI image generation, real-time AI drawing, AI video generation. According to its ex-post, the team is testing the new universal upscaler, which is similar with Krea AI's creative upscaler, adding more details to the image. But it's not publicly released yet. Anyway, that's something we can expect in 2024. Alright, that's the share for today. If this video helps, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel for more latest AI tools and tips. I'd really appreciate that. Thanks for watching. See you next time.